2000 or 2001. I'm yelling, I forgot I have my microphone. Stick shift. We're going to go help my friend scrap a load of metal. So I'll see you over there. Alright, so I'm in low. I'm in low just to keep it not just bouncing forward. So we got to pick this up right here. Right with the forklift. Gun. I don't have that small mirror, but you know what? I'm a professional. We don't need it. So we got to back it in there right there where my buddy is. Good old stick shift. That mirror, I got to get it right around that car. Good, I'm good. Hold it, and then I got to turn it this way. I can see the back of the dumpster where I want to get it.
Alright, so right about here, my microphone went out, and we were basically backing up the big dumpster to the small scrap dumpster, and we realized that the big dumpster's door had to be opened before we dropped it, and so I was just picking it back up, pulling it back out, opening up the door, and then I'm re-dropping it off here, and you can see the door on the left side of the dumpster, but dropped it off. Here's a view of my my buddy pushing it in, and then it's going to be a view of him with the camera on his forehead, and it's a pretty fun and exhilarating. I wish there was noise because it looks pretty exhilarating from here. And I was pulling the dumpster on the big truck, and he was pushing the scrap dumpster, obviously in this cluttered area, with the forklift. So pretty funny. I edited out a clip to where it starts to get interesting, let's just say. So you see it start to move a little bit, and it starts to move a lot more and more. And I don't notice it, obviously, and I can't hear anything in that truck, but I see the reactions of these two guys rolling the tires, and then I realized I had to bring it level. So that must have been a lot of fun for my buddy. But we loaded it up. I got out, checked it out. I ended up pulling up. We had to close the door. The video wasn't that good driving there. I wish I got it better driving the 8-speed, old truck. But we got it scrapped, got our money. We're out of there. And the next clip will be of me pulling in the yard, and you'll see the actual, what the truck looks like, what they used to look like, and what the old truck drivers used to have to do.